Welcome to Week 6. This is the last week for our module Advanced Business Statistical Analysis. We'll focus on how to transform your analytical findings into meaningful and evidence-based business decisions. As data analysts, it's not enough to produce results. You must be able to evaluate, interpret, and use them to guide strategic action. We'll begin with critical evaluation, where you'll assess the credibility, accuracy, and limitations of your data and methods to ensure decisions are grounded in solid evidence. Next, we'll move into judgment and decision-making, exploring how to apply logical reasoning, business context, and ethical considerations when interpreting statistical outcomes. Finally, you'll work through a case study and report writing exercise, where you'll synthesize data insights into a concise professional report that supports informed managerial decisions.